Welcome back, fellow web creators and entrepreneurs. In this tutorial, we're going to cover how to add cinematic black bars to your footage in Adobe Premiere. Let's begin by heading over to the project panel and clicking the new item button, then select adjustment layer. The default settings should already match your timeline, so hit OK and now you'll see it in your project panel. The benefit of using an adjustment layer for this is because in most cases you'll have multiple clips, and adding bars to every clip would be monotonous. However, with a single adjustment layer, you can add the black bars uniformly to everything at once. Now drag the new adjustment layer onto the timeline above your footage, and then drag its end so that its duration covers all of the clips that you desire. Next, head over to the effects panel and type crop into the search box. Drag the crop effect onto the adjustment layer on your timeline. Then ensure your adjustment layer is selected and go over to effect controls. Under crop, change the crop's top value to 12% and change the crop's bottom value to 12% as well. 12% is a good starting point, but feel free to play with a bigger or smaller percentage depending on your preferences. Now you can see this has added black bars over all of my footage. And that's it for this tutorial. I hope you learned something new. Thanks for watching, and I look forward to seeing you again soon.